Hello folks, new Foo Fighters songs out asking for a friend. Let's learn this thing, shall we? We are in drop D, so your low E goes down to D. Like that. Clean tone for the intro, using the Morgan MVP 66. The amp's actually quite clean. These pickups are pretty high output, so it's giving a little bit more grit to the amp itself. And then for the... I'm using the funny little boxes dirt. There's a load of stuff going on in the intro. You've got this lead part going on. The other guitar part is just playing this. 3, 4, 1. But the main riff is doing this. Doing that, right? It does that the first and second times, and thereafter it'll alternate between that part and this. Or something similar to that. It's very difficult to hear in the mix actually, even with the tracks separated. But playing along with it, this is enough for you to have fun anyway. So the first part. Pretty straightforward. Add the 3rd fret to the low string. Pretty straightforward. This bit trickier. Bit of a D5 with B flat in the bass. Then you move that finger up and take the other one off the 2nd fret. Which would be a G, right? The second time, you've got this, which is the root effectively, because obviously we're in drop D. So let me go round it slowly, the 2nd and the 3rd time, so you hear both of those parts, okay? Oops, flopped that at the end there, but never mind. 5 times in all then, and then you put your distortion on and you play this. You do that 3 times. The 4th time you go out, do a little bit of a slide at the end. Like that. So, you've basically got the open D string, and we do 2, 3, 5, 3, 2. Rest, and instead of the rest you've probably got one guitar playing and another one playing, I don't know, but you can play together a little 5 chord. 3 times of that, you know, etc. 4th time, as I say, little slide midway through. Then you're into the next part. Quite quick changes in this. Right, that's the first 2 parts, so let's stop there. We have little sort of B diminished thing. Then to the 5th chord. Slide your 1st finger up for this next one. And then you're going to play with the G, right? And then you got that going on, but with the D string. Getting to that again is tricky. So I'd use my 3rd finger here, and then your first 2 can go back to that, okay? So the transition slowly. And then you do this quick gallop. So it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, because you've got to get back here again, that is quite tricky. So you probably want to leave the last one of these as an 8th note rather than 2 semiquavers or 16th notes, because that gives you time to get back to that, okay? That's more comfortable than trying to do the 4. It may not be 4. I thought I heard 4, so that's what I tapped. And then 2 more times. The 3rd time, similar to the first actually. Plays that though. 3-2 rather than 3-3. Bit of tension, isn't there? Which is nice. The 4th time you play up to. Then you're into the chorus riff. Like that. And you do that 4 times. Again, you alternate between and again, at least I'm pretty sure that's what's going on, right? Then we're into this again, sort of middle 8 part now. I think this is 8 times. It might actually be 12, but you know, count them. You'll sense when it's changing because of the singing. And then there's this. That. So 5-7-5-5 if you want to play it there. Same rhythm as before though, right? Then into the bridge again. Third time, it's a very Foo Fighters thing, never playing the same number of times the same, so you switch to the chorus. And every 2nd and 4th time, so 4 times of the chorus. Then you're into this part. This is like before the solo comes in. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. Got that going on, right? So it's might even be a slight bend, you know, up to you, but or vibrato will do the job. So 2 measures round. 2 of those, but the 2nd time, so you slide up to the 12th, open, and slide down. Then you're into the solo. The rhythm behind the solo is really cool. It plays this. And then around again. 2nd time round, you end with. And then into the next part, right? So pretty cool. Start with the D here. So down, up, 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 down, up. Then I just go to some single finger stuff, and it sounds like there's a load of a lot of open string action in between. You know, that stuff going on, right? Very Queens of the Stone Age, that, isn't it? They are good mates. Maybe it's an influence, who knows? From the 5th fret. like that, up to the 8th fret. I mean, I've tabbed it pretty much exactly. You can use the same rhythm throughout, right? No one will care, but I'm just tabbing it as I heard it. So from the 8th fret then. So down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down. Same for the 10th fret. And then back into D, right? So here, you go down to the 3rd fret. Second time round, it's identical apart from another one of those. And a little turnaround before the next chorus. And you're in. So it's just hang on that for like a beat and a half, or 3 beats in this case, and then into the chorus again. Same deal though, 1st and 3rd time of this, 2nd and 4th. That variance. Then we've got this outro part. You play 2 of those, okay, so that's okay, two times of that. Then you go back to the other riff. You do 3 of those, and then to end. And meanwhile, there's a bit of, you know, stuff like that going on there. So there you have it. Hope you enjoyed that one. There are some little incidental bits like the solo and stuff like that. If you do want that as well, and enough people comment, then I'll do that too. See you soon.